I'm going to show you how to load a product onto your website. So all you're going to do is once you've logged in and you get presented with your dashboard, all you're going to do is you're going to go to products on the left hand side here and go add new. So now I've actually got one already loaded, which I'll show you in a bit. So we're going to call this, basically what we're going to do is we're going to put the product title in and we're going to call it test 2 because I've already got a product loaded. And then what we're going to do here, this is your product description. Now this is your long description. So it's going to be, this is my long description. Then what you're going to do is you're going to copy the title, copy it. Then you're going to come down where it says focus key phrase. You're going to paste it in there. Then in your description here, what you're going to do is you're going to put Earth Core dash the product title, just like that. Then you're going to scroll down a bit. This is where you're going to put your pricing in. So if the product is 100 Rand, that's where you'll put it. If it's on sale, let's make it 70 Rand. If we leave it like that, that means it's on sale until you manually come and change it. But the beauty of this is what you can do is you can schedule it. So you can go schedule, let's make it on sale from the Wednesday and let the sale end on the 24th. Now at midnight at 12 a.m. on Wednesday, the system will automatically put it on sale for you, and then on the 24th, the last minute of the 24th, it will actually remove it from being on sale. All right, that's quite a nice thing to have because then you don't have to worry about manually and forgetting to do it. So we're just going to remove this here. This is your short description. Now this is the short description, this is the description that goes next to your product. So if you think of a Takealot product, so let's say you're looking for a kettle. So you see the kettle picture on the left and then the write up is on the right. If you scroll down, you want the long description, which is this section on top here at the top, that would be underneath the image. So we're going to type in, this is the short description there. So just get my spelling correct. There we go. And that's all we need to do down here. Okay, we're going to scroll to the top. Okay, and on your right hand side here in the column, you'll see publish. We're not ready to publish it just yet, but we're going to go product image. We're going to put the image there. Now, you can either upload the image where you can just get off your computer, or if you've got the image, like I've already got this one loaded here, what we can do is we can just go set product image, and there you go. If you've got other images, let's say you're doing a bin, like the TLB's got there. So let's say you want an image of the front of the bin, then you've got an image of the side and the back. The other side and the back images you would actually put here. So you would select them from here. Let's just use this one here, and then you would select them just like that. All right, that's if you've got an extra gallery. Then it comes to your category. So this is where you're going to have to really think about how your category structure is going to be. So for example, we'll use Earth Core. That's our main category for this tutorial. It's our main category. Yours could be bushes or whatever item you're uploading. So you can go, let's add the category. So let's just go TLB. We're going to make it a parent category. So we're going to add new category. Now that is what we call a main category, a parent category. Now we're going to go down here and go front bin, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to select TLB. We're going to add new category. So what's going to happen now is that item is going to be underneath it's going to be a subcategory of the TLB. So if someone wants TLBs, they'll click on TLBs, then they'll want the front bin, they'll click on front bin, and then that's where the item is. They could want the back bin, the digger, and then you could have one called back bin. All right. So then we come down to our product tags. So these also, the focus key phrase here works with Google, but this is also attaching, Google picks up these for indexing, but it also helps your clients do internal clicks. So we'll put there, for example, we'll make the first one Earth Core. Then we're going to go TLB. Do you notice I'm putting a comma after everything? And I'll show you why now. Then this one is going to be front bin. Just like that. And we're going to hit enter. Now, as you can see, there are 3 different tags. So now if I go earth core, TLB, and front bin, just like this, right? With no commas, what's going to happen? It's going to make one long tag, which is pointless. We want it to be individual. All right, so that's why you put a comma there to divide them. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is you're going to hit publish. And there we go. Now we can go view product. So we'll right click and open in a new tab. And that is the product that we've just uploaded. This is our short description. This is our long description. People can leave reviews on it. If you have any additional information, so if we come back down here, we scroll down and we go shipping, for example. Let's put the length. The length is at 1 meter. So remember, it's working in centimeters. The width is, let's say, 50, and the height, let's say, is 90. And then the weight of this thing, let's say it's 90 kgs. Okay, then we're going to upload. We're just going to update the product. Once it's updated, the page will refresh. There we go. We're just going to refresh this one here. This is what we call the front end, and as you can see, it's got another tab called additional information. If we click on it, it will have the weight of 90 kgs and the dimensions is 100 by 50 by 90 centimeters. All right. That's how you add a product. So if we had to click on the front end now, we go to category, our catalog, and as you can see, there is the one that I loaded, and there is the, there's the one I loaded before the video, and this is the one that I loaded right now. All right, that is how you would upload an item to your website.